Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to remove people in Photoshop. So at first open your Photoshop. So look here, I'm take an image. In this image showing it to two people and very close. So I'm just provide how can easily remove these people. So let's go. Please don't skip my video and see my full video. So you just select lasso tool or use pen tool. So I'm just use lasso tool and select area. Select this area very carefully. Okay, alright, it's select. Go to edit option and click on to fill. Select normal and 100%. Just press on to OK. You just wait. So look here, it's not properly removed, so don't upset. Okay, I'm just use clone stamp tool. Select flow 100%, opacity 100%, and I'm just increase size. Press on Alt and mouse right side, select and just drag. Okay, click on Ctrl+D to deselect, but it's not smoothly removed. I'm just select, use pen tool, okay, just select and the same, use stamp tool, and click on Enter+D to deselect. So look here, now successfully remove. Or you can use path tool, like use this, select area and drag to blank side, then remove any spot. So that's it, that's how you can do it.